Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are at the farm and I'm just gonna show you guys a few stuff that we had done when we left, and like the progress since we haven't been at the farm for a couple of weeks. So I'm just gonna show you guys like, you know, what's going on at the farm, but we're not gonna be able to do a lot of work because it's drizzling just a little bit. So also we came a bit late due to unforeseen circumstances. But so today I'm just gonna show you guys what we have at the farm and the progress that we currently have, and yeah, that's like pretty much it. There isn't really, it's a bit, it's not much, but it's enough for us because this is our first time actually doing this stuff at a larger scale, I would say. But yeah, let me show you guys what we have going on. As you can see, the background is Zimbabwe at the pretty much my backdrop. This is, I think we did this, I'm not quite sure, I think beginning of February, that's when we put this down. So I'm just gonna show you guys what we have currently. So this is I think a month and a half old. It was planted in November, sorry for the mistake. And then I'm gonna show you guys the one that was also done like about 3 weeks ago, and at what stage I'm getting my tongue twisted. At what stage the corn is at. I'm just gonna use English, I'm sorry. So yeah, let me show you guys. Okay, so here is everything. Here's the corn. As you can see, it's already shooting. This is currently, as well as Mbambaira that we transplanted as well, same time as the Chibagi. As you can see, they are in different stages. The one at the back was grown a little bit a while ago, and yeah. And here, this is the one that we transplanted about. It was transplanted in November, 3 weeks ago. And this one is the most recent one. Tine Mbambaira yakabva ku transplant, as well as this side. This side, it's a very small area, but Tine Nzungu. And this is our small commercial garden. And this is the small garden. So the last time on the farm vlog, I showed you guys us transplanting tomatoes, lettuce, and all the other good stuff. But unfortunately, a lot of the plants got eaten by cutting worms underground. So we got lambda and put it because a lot of the plants are cutting worms. But you guys, you can see that a few of the trees that have grown. Here are the tomatoes. It is Chibage Ichichaka Kudara, I would say. This one has been here longer. You can even tell from the corn that has grown. And in between, my lines, or in between Chibage Chacho Mune Bora. Oh, I can't wait to take this back home because I miss Bora. And here, this small space, there's beans. And we also got a few more beans that needs to also be transplanted. So obviously in the next vlog you guys are gonna also see that as well. Okay, so again, this is the small garden. So some of the stuff, guys, beans it's okra really fast, as you can see from my home vlogs that I showed you guys. We have a few beans that we had thrown as my scraps from the kitchen, and akakura from just you throwing them. But these ones were transplanted about, I would say about same time Nechbage, the one that I showed you. And yeah, this has been here for like a couple of weeks. So yeah, this is gonna be really a fun project. So I'm also going to show you guys the beans that Akatenga Nezuro, and you guys are gonna see that as well. And as you can see, hold on, let me see if you guys can see that. I think you guys can see my backdrop. Recream baby. Ragaitonga tire white ripache kumashure. So yes, and I was asking my little baby to get me, you know, she background. I wanna get chimichi button, so you know, I don't know. So you can see backdrop. She bag it chimichi back to transplant for like literally. Bali, chibage magachi sarin each. Ichi. End of January. Mama? Oh, really? So it's February, beginning of Feb. Okay. Then, sorry. So I had to just confirm. So that, the backdrop, that one, check out about what? Beginning of February. But so clearly I'm wrong about, you know, chimwich baggage and so probably this has been here for a minute. Ooh. Okay, that's it. Okay. So Babali, each which baggage chaka rimwarini then. November. All right. Okay. So clearly my time frame was completely off. So Icho, the one that I showed you guys previously, Chaka Rimwa in November, same as the one that I showed you, the one that's grown a bit more. So Icho, Chaka Rimwa beginning of February. So you see progress. Yeah, yo kutichaku kurarini probably end of March. That's when you see the progress. And then here, a banana tree, which I didn't know, it was very random. I don't know when they put this. I was not here for it. So yeah, then I'm just gonna show you guys like a little cute video and stuff. Here is more of my dumas. So please be aware, Kuti, a lot of them are cutting ones. So mango actual akutanga fruiting, they're creating, I think maybe they're creating a new system. So they're very small, as you can see, because we initially planted. So we initially planted about 128 plants of madomas, and half of them akajikiwanema cutting ones, so akava. So now we're left with maybe 60 or less of madomas, because a lot of them are cutting worms. So that was also an experience of us also learning from what happened in the field. So now we do have shongawacho for my cutting worms, so that by the time Patrida Kurima, the other side of the mosque, I'm gonna show you guys that soon, we would have prepared the land for us to put whatever vegetables we want to put in garden, so that they don't get eaten in my cutting worms. So yeah, it was a learning experience, especially from this little area. This was more of a learning experience. Now we know, and we did make sure we corrected my errors on the other parts of Nunzichi garden. So we corrected that, and now we know. So yeah, we're learning, guys. We're all learning together. So take a spray lambda Nunzichi in this small area, and we bought lambda you spray the other hectare where we're going to plant mangwema vegetables. So yeah. And here is chile. Here's more sweet potato, or I'm gonna Shona will always run far away from me, but yes, this is sweet potato that we have. You're busy, So this land, or this area, is the free area, the unoccupied area. So oh Lord, here is Chibage Chacho. From that side, you guys would assume it's small. It's actually really not. It's really, really large. I will put the measurements on how big of scale we're doing here. But this is Chibage. It goes all the way up to there where the farm starts. Guys, the way it's so refreshing to be, oh Lord, the way it's so refreshing to be at the farm is crazy. The air is so different from Chitubiza, man. Like, it's so different. But yeah, so let me show you guys the new projects that are coming the next couple of weeks. Good. Okay. So guys, this free space that you're seeing right here, this is where we are planning beans that we are nazo. And yeah, we're planning to transplant beans that the next coming days, probably from Monday. Beans, because we also have to do land preparation, meaning, like I told you before, this soil in my cutting worms a lot, and we noticed that from the small little patch here beginning of last month. So because of that, we need to do land preparation. We already did buy the stuff, the chemicals, not chemicals, but my cutting worms. So that's what I also noticed. And also we're planning on, imagine that I am planning on kurima as well. I plan on planting okurima, my lettuce, rep, ne onion, my king onion. That's my plan, and that's my goal for the next 2-3 months. So for me, rapine for me is going to be long-term wise. Lettuce is actually me just trying out, because my mom actually noticed this one guy on what's called on the internet, on social media, saying kuti maronde, lettuce, I think, or you just have to first try and see kuti, does your soil accept, or does your soil work for does lettuce and your soil go together pretty much. And that's what I am trying to see. So I'm not going to do lettuce at a large scale. I'm going to do it at a very small scale for the first time, and also my learning experience. If it does go well, I will put it back into Chaisa. But if it doesn't, I have a second plan for that as well. So for now, I'm going to plant lettuce, rep, ne onion. And then my mom is also gonna do her stuff, cove and other stuff. So yeah, I'm also now trying to create an income for myself because my parents have the land, so why not utilize it? So that's what I'm doing. So I'm going to be showing you guys all of this stuff. It's unfortunate that the last couple of weeks I couldn't, show you guys or us coming to the farm and stuff. But now we're here, and now I can show you. So here, this land was prepared about 3 weeks ago, beginning of or middle of February. That's when we cleared this part of the land, and we do plan on clearing the other side so that we have a bit of a bigger space to Rimakwacho. So yeah, this is exciting stuff, guys. So hang tight and let me show you guys what will be going on. Yeah. This is the one side that we do need to clear out for more land. Also that side, I'm sorry, I'm not going in Masora because I do not know what is inside there. But at the far end of that side, we know on mulch. Is it mulch? Mrakwan. Mulch is mulch is Mrakwan. But that's where we find it. That I can try and find my guys. So yeah, guys, the vibes at the farm are so nice. I really can't wait for majority of this land to be cleared so that you guys can appreciate this land the way I do. Yeah, so child, feels like I'm breathing hard, yo. But yeah. This is the vibes. Okay, I think I spotted them. They are somewhere in the forest. They're somewhere here in the forest. I think they're trying to pinpoint really exactly where they want to put their house. Like, my parents are not confusing me. Wow. Honestly, from a distance, this looks like a lot, but when I show it to you guys like this, it's really not that much. Well, it is, because now it's taller than Plaza Short. So my dad, transplant a pomegranate. Really? No February.
Yeah.
So he wants to show me his work. And we also bought some more, like another cutting yemku irikumba. So this is nice. And we also noticed that the pomegranate tree is very sweet. Look at how proud he is. So yeah, but guys, so now probably next year to nengeta kuchodya all my pomegranates. And next year
probably next year will be feasting from this one. Yeah, don't worry.
So he's so proud of himself. So I'm
don't know.
But remember to nimango my cuttings are.
Yeah, but am I going to plant it today or what?
You have to.
I'll plant.
So he wants to plant again.
Area what for clean I can clear up on the scotch kachura. Because I want this up on the
Is this when I build the cottage?
We have to. Okay, what we're going to do is Chatanga Neguti and it like that in a like 4 bedrooms. So you have to start in set it rooms in the kitchen. So now we're no longer doing the cottage. No, we don't want.
Okay.
So, but we are maybe when that badly on the
alright. We're gonna start building.
You have to start something here.
You heard it from the man. We are starting to build our farmhouse.
In the farm mansion,
It's a farm mansion.
Yes.
So this is not the size, but because he has to go a little bit deeper, this is where we're planning kutanga ku transplant trees atakaya now. Oh my god, sorry. So my dad is so excited to show me the little trees that he transplanted. Let me show you guys. Yeah. Do not talk swing when in your masura. Look at how proud he is.
Oh, look at this.
And here's another success. You can tell from the little shoots.
Nice. Bali. Murakwani uripo here babali?
Kupoda mumwe. Kupoda wekumba.
Zvanandiri kuda kuti nditi. Ndada kuti nditransplant.
So this is where the entrance is.
It's okay.
This side.
Isusu gate zedu takatichaisa gate zedu panapa. Tinosesa entrance kokuno kutoenda kuti tingata kufamba sei.
You can see pane makonya arikudya Zimbabwe. So meaning kuti the lambda yataunza tichatenga imwe futi, but right now for now he needs to spray because urikudyiwa nemakonya. You can tell. Arikudyiwa nemakonya, so we need to finish and fix that situation. Show me what you got. What you got there?
Pumpkin.
From where? From where?
From the field, yeah.
From the field. Yes.
Green here cannot.
It's in chich.
Nyemba.
Nyemba.
Nyemba dzinozi. Nyemba by short. Maize dziri green kana dzakoma.
Nyemba. Bali. Can I see?
Inonzi amesha inonzi chi? Nyemba inonzi chi? Wow.
Nyemba.
Nyemba.
This is how it looks up and close. Nyemba when it's green. So we finally have a little goatee. Look at that baby. It's a male, I think. You can tell it was recently born. It still has its umbilical cord. So unfortunately the other ones that were pregnant did miscarry. Not miscarry, sorry. The babies died right after they were born. So that was really, really unfortunate. But now we have a little goat. So we do plan on buying some more, but these are the ones that we currently have. We plan on getting, pure breeds. Look at that one. Look at how cute it is, man. So right now we have one missing. Wait, Hanzi, uko kumakomo. So he just will struggle a bit later. Hanzi, and here is my sheepies. To be quite honest, the hairy goat is my favorite one. I don't know why I love it, but I do. I really, really like it. But anyway, here's the little baby peeing. The little baby. I think this is a boy. And here is the what's it say? Dangaru. Yeah. It's a bit skew, but it was the first time we were doing it ourselves. So guys, forgive us. So now that you guys know, so we're gonna plaster on the inside to avoid I'm gonna insert the name that, so that it will avoid the chickens from getting sick. And for those that want to know what type this is, my black astrolop. I did almost forget to show you guys the rabbits. Here are the rabbits. They've grown so big. This one is my favorite one. I don't know why. I think I like the color. But then here are the rabbits. Oh my god, can you believe this? We have hamsters. Like, what the hell? I don't know. I just got told right now we have hamsters. Like, look at how cute they are, man. Guys, we have hamsters. So guys, that is it for today. As you can see, it's now raining. So I will catch you guys in the next vlog. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. This vlog was a bit messy, but you know, the vibes. But anyway, next week we're coming back again with another vlog. So guys, catch you. And guys, thank you for the 300 and something subscribers. I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share my video and comment down below. I love you. Bye. You see, I came prepared. Bye guys.